Breaking crypto news for you XRP holders out there. There's been some breaking news coming out about the SEC and Robinhood's case, and I want to talk about how I think it's going to be affecting XRP. But I know the past couple of days have been quite a bloodbath for the cryptocurrency space. Is Bitcoin going to allow XRP to see a move to the upside? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so first things first, over on crypto Twitter, follow me at 333Blacksea. I say, XRP holders, what are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section below. The SEC has closed investigations into Coinbase, OpenSea, and Robinhood, all due to cryptocurrency regulations, okay? You have to have that in your back of your mind. Do you think XRP may be next in line for the SEC? Will we see the SEC drop all the XRP appeals and finally let the bird free? Are they going to let the dove fly in the air and actually have room to grow? Let me know in the comments about what you think about that. I do think that it would make sense if we were to think about this in a linear way that next should be XRP. The appeals against XRP and the SEC should probably be dropped, especially to really, I guess, fluff up the new crypto regulatory climate we have, and I do expect that to probably play out. Let me know in the comments about what you think about that. But I do want to take a look at XRP here because, yes, guys, it has been quite a brutal move the past couple days. It may not seem like it when you're looking at the daily time frame. It's quite fascinating, really. A lot of the altcoins, when it comes to, say, utility coins, not garbage coins, not low market cap meme coins, have kind of held up relatively well amidst seeing Bitcoin break down to $86,000, $85,000. But I still want to give you a little bit of a warning here, my friends. If you're an XRP holder here, we do see daily candle closures below the bullish trend line. When you look at the 4-hourly as well, you look at market cipher, the money flow is thick in the red. Yes, we do have a green dot potential for a bounce. I do expect some relief here. But you really want to see us break above this level at about $2.40. You do not want to see a rejection off of this. If you see a rejection off this, I'm going to say, hey guys, we're probably going to be heading back down to this level here at about $1.76. And based on where Bitcoin's at, I wouldn't be surprised to see something like that play out. Although I will also say, when it comes to altcoins, XRP is kind of an outlier. It kind of does its own thing. It's been suppressed really for multi-cycles. Since last cycle, it didn't break all-time highs because of the whole SEC. The SEC was trying to make an example out of XRP and Ripple Labs, but it moves in its own way. We were at rank 3. We gained like $60 to $80 billion in market cap value in 2 weeks, I believe. I will never forget that. I've been trading crypto for a long time, nearly a decade, and I will never forget that time when this cycle we saw XRP gain like $100 billion over the course of a couple weeks. It was mind-blowing. But regardless, guys, I do think that there should be some volatility here, and unfortunately, I will say in the short term, I am looking to short here. I'm looking to short this resistance. But there's a very, very good chance that we break above it. And if we do break above it, well, that's kind of going to be where my stop loss is going to be. But guys, if you do want to take advantage of this volatility that's going to be coming on right now, in my opinion, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as the next 100 people that sign up using the link down below will get, and deposit $100, will get $10 for free in XRP, which is pretty cool. And also, there is a $5.6 million trading competition going on right now. The higher our team trades, the more volume we trade, the more likely we can split that $5.6 million prize pool. So check that out down below. But when you look at XRP right now, we're sitting at rank 4, down 10.34% in the past 7 days, getting a little bit of life here, a 1% gain in the past 24 hours, showing kind of a sign of strength. When you look at the market cap, we're sitting at $133 billion. We only really got about a $10 billion haircut since yesterday, which is significant. But guys, the majority of this sell-off has really been Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's been significant sell-offs, and everyone wants to know, where's it coming from? Where's it coming from? Well, guys, I will say that's for another video. I'm going to make another video about that, but I do think that it really comes down to the uncertainty in the overall stock market, and it's pulling crypto down with it, and that's just how it is. Crypto Crypto is correlated with the stock market. It is simple as that, guys. But regardless, I am bullish on XRP. I think that out of all the cryptocurrencies that are out there right now, it is definitely in the top 10 for the coins that have the most utility, and that is not just vaporware and it has no use case at all like meme coins. But I'm not hating on meme coins. I love trading meme coins. I like to make more Bitcoin with my meme coins, but I would potentially look at longer term investing when it comes to XRP and Solana, things that actually have use cases and communities that people actually use the product. But I digress. When you look at the entire market right now, Bitcoin's trading at $88,000 at the time of recording this video. Ethereum below 2,500. Bitcoin Diamond's trading at 60.18%, excluding stablecoins, basically 62.18%. Pretty incredible, guys. And XRP is holding up relatively well. Like if you look at this move to the downside that we saw, let's look at the daily time frame. Like yeah, it definitely was a decent capitulation event. I don't think that it's necessarily over just yet. There's a chance that it's over here. I mean, if you were to look at it like this, sure, maybe, but I think that we probably spill over a little bit longer. We probably candlestick this wick down here. We probably see some closures around $2. I think that's probably likely, especially depending on where Bitcoin is headed here. But I will say, though, when you measure from where we were at here in this consolidation level here, we only really drew down about 25%, and now where we're at from the breakdown is we're only down about 16%, which, yeah, it's significant, but when you compare it to some of these other cryptos that literally fell off a cliff talking 80, 90% drawdowns, XRP is holding up relatively well because, well, guys, it actually has use cases. So looking at Bitcoin right now, I want to change this chart here. This is not the chart I want to show you guys. We are going to look at Bitcoin halvings on the overall time frames of a daily time frame here. Yeah, look at this. Okay. So we broke down my line in the sand. We did. We broke down and we are sitting on this $88,000 price level. We wicked all the way down to $86,000. Guys, I am bearish on Bitcoin in the short term. Now, that doesn't mean that we are going to that the bull market's over and everything's done for. No, but I do expect a little bit more of selling off here. It would be quite strange and not... It would be uncommon to see this be the bottom here. It would be uncommon to see it. Is it possible? Yes, guys. Everything in trading is possible. People don't understand that. Just because there's a 90% probability of something happening does not mean that it has to happen. It's a probability. It's a statistic, okay? But it would be uncommon for the bottom to be in right here. I do expect this to probably spill over a little bit more and find its way maybe even all the way down to about 69,000 or maybe even like 72K in that area here. I think that's a appropriate level to be looking at, but I don't think that's going to happen in a snap of a finger. I wouldn't be surprised to see a bounce here, come back up to 94K, test it as resistance, and break down. But guys, when you think about the 4-year cycle, when it comes to altcoins, when it comes to Bitcoin, really we do have another 240 days left of this cycle based on past 4-year cycles. So I'm not really going to be comfortable with saying it's over just yet. I need to see confirmations. And guys, we could see something like last cycle where we broke down and we traded in like a little mini bear market for a significant amount of time. Like, let's measure this out here. It was a significant amount of time. It was basically 97 days of a mini bear market before we made new all-time highs again. Well, till we found the bottom. It took 97 days to find the bottom from the breakdown. We could see something like that play out again. We could. But I'm not going to bet on it. That's why I take profit along the way. And I like to short. I like to long. It depends on what the market throws at me. But guys, that's just my 2 cents on this right now. We're going to be keeping a very close eye on where Bitcoin wants to find itself and wants to settle down. Really want to stay above 88K. But I do kind of expect a breakdown after a bounce here. This is a chart that I really want to be taking a look at here. This is the total crypto market cap. And for the first time in history, we have broken below the previous cycle high when it comes to the market cap. Anytime that's happened, usually that's the bottom. But we've broken below it. And usually it's the bottom in a bear market. So the question is, are we in a bear market and is the bottom already in? I don't think so. I think that we're probably going to find ourselves above this level at some point in 2025. I think it'd be the only way we would see us really break down on the total market cap value, like below, say, like $2 trillion, would be if we saw a massive market-wide correction, or the stock market goes into a recession, the macroeconomics of the world get very bearish. That's really the only way I could see us breaking down here. So I am cautiously bearish right now, because guys, there's always a pump around the corner for Bitcoin, and that's why I still continue to accumulate Bitcoin. And I even think that there's a chance that all it takes is the Federal Reserve to come out and say, hey, guess what? We're starting quantitative easing, we're cutting rates, and all of a sudden it becomes a much more favorable environment for altcoins. You see XRP retrace all this way back up, make new all-time highs, maybe even go to $5. Like, we could see something like that play out. I would not be surprised. But in the short term, I am bearish. Guys. And let me know in the comments below if you think I'm crazy, if you think Black Sea, you're completely wrong, the bottom is in, we're going to be going to new all-time highs tomorrow. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But I will say that the SEC dropping all these cases for all these crypto companies is very bullish for XRP. And I do expect that even if the price of Bitcoin is trading sideways to the downside, we go into a little mini bear market, I think that the regulatory climate is going to continue to get better and better. It's going to turn out to be much more bullish for cryptocurrencies across the board, especially cryptocurrencies that have utility and use cases like XRP. But guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Sign up to Blowfin down below. Get that $10 for free in XRP when you deposit $100. And join the trading competition. $5.6 million trading competition. Pretty cool. That's all I got, guys. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.